Sanibona, just nje ukuyisummarize indaba and to actually make a good picture about isihloko lesi esibe naso sithi ukunyuka kwezinga, ukunyuka kwezinto. So ngale nkathi technology inyuka, ne? Sitha sinyusa zonke izinto, izinga abantu izinto abazifisayo, abazilangazelelayo, konke abantu abakufunayo. So wonke umuntu ufuna ukunyuka naso leso standard leso. Nabantu bafuna ukuqhubeka bazame, baqhubeke banyuke nalo lonke izinga lezinto ezinyukayo lapha emhlabeni. But okubalekile kumele sikwazi, as I saw in that dream ukuthi i-watermelon was 600 rand. Imagine i-watermelon is 600. So mase u-600 ukuze uyi-afford, kuzomela usebenze more, kuzomela uzame more. Whether unawo umsebenzi noma unani, people will just try anything and anyhow ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bakhave izinto abazifunayo. Mind you, nalabo abadayisayo nabo bafuna ukuthi zithengwe lezi zinto, nabo bafuna ukuthi laba izinga lempilo linyuke, because nabo bafuna uku-afford ukuthenga lezo imoto, bafuna uku-afford ukuthenga i-iPhone, bafuna uku-afforda, because zonke izinto the more zinyuka, i-technology inyuka, lokho okuncane o-Android nani kuzogcina sekudinga more upgrade, because kancane kancane izinto ziya-upgrade. Nike nibona ngithi even the apps emafonini to WhatsApp wakho udinga uku-upgradewa, Instagram wakho upgradewa, updatewa, zonke lezi zinto, and usolebele kunyuka kanjalo kanjalo. And with people as well, bazole befuna uku-upgrade with the times and things that are happening. But the solution kukona konke ukuthi the more izinto zi-upgrade, zifuna uku-updatewa, yazi wena enze njani? Just downgrade, shona phansi ke wena, so that ungezohamba nezinga lezinto nezinga lempilo, because the more ufuna ukuhamba nabahambayo, you're gonna be in trouble kusasa. Wena uzoba senkingeni kusasa, because number one, you do not afford, and kumele ukwazi lokuthi angi-afford. Ongenakho awunakho, ongakudingi awukudingi. It's time people sifunde futhi sazi ukuthi kumele siyilimit ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Limit yourself in eating ukudla expensive, because awuku-afford. You do not afford to buy pizza njengo Mam Khize, because we know afford pizza. I mean, I used to watch a show indlu yakhe, like I think ikhishi liyikamero lonke, ikhishi lilodwa, so ifridge lilodwa, it's like the whole room. So alukho uhlobo lokudla ngenalo lo muntu lo yangithi. So if when you gonna be looking at impilo ngeso lokuthi nami I want to have something like that, when you know your standard ukuthi is so low, you don't afford all of that, uzozama ngako konke, uzozizilimaze, uzoze futhi uwele ebugebengwini nasezintweni ezingekho right. But ukuze usuke lapho, usuke kuleyo mindset leyo, the only thing you can do, downgrade. Izinto ziyanyuka, shona phansi wena. Kuthenga icathulo expensive, buyela kophaqa wena. Kuthenga ingubo ebizayo, buyela kuloko, because mugqokile, wadla, walala, unegumbi, you have everything. You do not need all these things. That's the honest truth. Awuzidingi zonke lezi zinto. You just need to live impilo ezokwanelisa. And ukwanelisa ungakuthola ngoJehova kuphela. Ukwanelisa ungakuthola ngeqiniso kuphela. Ukwanelisa ungakuthola ngokukholwa, because ukukholwa kungukwaneliseka ezintweni zonke. If ukholwa ngoJehova, you would be satisfied with anything and everything that you have. You would be satisfied with, okay, I know the world is eating this kind of food njengamanje, but mina I only afford ukuthi ngiyidlele isigwaqana. I only afford ukuthi ngiyidlele istambu. I only afford ukuthi ngiyidlele lokho because ikona ngikaffordayo. Take your standard and put it to where you belong, so that you won't find yourself in trouble. Because there's a lot of trouble njengamanje lapha emhlabeni. Why? Because abantu, they like to understand istandard sabo, ukuthi bona ba-afforda ini, yini abangayi-afford. They like to understand ukuthi mina lami izinga ligcina la, mina ngifanele ukuthi ngidle ukuthi, because this is the only kind of food that I afford kwi-standard sami, because angisebenzi, because anginakho 1 no 2 no 3. Stop taking yourself uzibuke uzimadanise nomuntu osebenzayo futhi usebenza imisebenzi ewu2, wena ubungasebenzi uziphilela ngeqolo. It's all about thinking about yourself, so that you won't find yourself ezinkingeni zezikweletu ongazidingi ezingenasidingo empilweni yakho. Take your standard, usibuyisele la ubelonga khona, because that is where you really are. That is the representative of who you really are, okunguwe uqobo lwakho. So people, asazini ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama sasibusiswe ukuthi sizitshalele, sizifuyele, sizizalele. Not all these things zesilungu ezikhona lapha emhlabeni, because abantu bagijimela zonke lezi zinto zesilungu, bayifuna zonke, bayithatha, bayigrabha, bayise. Yila khona abantu belimala khona ke. ela khona abantu beduka khona, ila futhi abantu begcina sebeziphakamisa la bezothotshiswa khona impela-ke. Ila khona abantu they grab all these things abangazidingi ezizobalimaza, ezizobadalela usizi ezimpilweni zabo, ezizobadalela ubuhlungu njalo, ezizobadalela ukuthi njalo kumele benze izinto abangazidingi ezingenasidingo la belilimala khona. So kumele sazi bantu baNkulunkulu ukuthi izinga lempilo lizoqhubeka linyuke, ngeke lize lehle. Ayikho into esingavimba ngayo lokho, kodwa into esingazisiza ngayo ukuthi sizilimithe ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Limit yourself ekudleni okudlayo. You don't afford amafutha aseyabiza, walimithi wanciphisa. If upheka inyama ungawafaka amafutha, just boil your meat inamafutha vele. Nakhona if ungawafaka amafutha because usenijwayela ngithi, kodwa kudala sasingaphili ngamafutha ukuxabhisa nje ukudla, uxabhisa ukudla kwakho kube mnandi futhi udleke because udlela impilo nokuthi ube nempilo ukhule ube healthy. But people bafuna ukudla okunespice, bahlanganisa manje kuthiwa yini lezi spice, is it mother-in-law, bahlanganise peri peri, bahlanganisa zonke lezi izinto ongazidingi. Bonke nifuna omamazi manje, nifuna zonke lezi zinto, mayonnaise, all these things. You all want to grab all these things, and the more they get expensive, the more you need to fight for them. Ongazidingi. So it's all about limiting yourself ezintweni eziningi. Limit ukuthanda ukudla okubizayo. Uthi hayi vele mina ngidla kaWoolworths nani. Hayibo. Mase usuphelele umsebenzi uzokwazi ukuqhubeka ukuthenga kaWoolworths. Mase usuhlele ekhaya. Mase lela robot seluthathile umsebenzi wakho lapha. Uzoqhubeka yini uafford ukuthenga wena because wena udla lolu hlobo lwe-tastic rice kuphela. Awuyidli impuphu le edliwa yibona bonke abantu. Because I can't, I only eat this type. Mina ngidla ema-restaurant kuphela. Angidli ka-KFC. You are so much better in such a way. So people, limit yourselves. Like nokudla ongenasidingo, like takeaways. You do not need eat takeaway. Zinciphisele wena izinga odla ngalo. Futhi noma udle kanye ngosuku, usuthi uright because udlela amandla. Futhi uyavuka nakusasa usa-right. So singafuni ukuhamba nesikhathi, sihambe nabantu, sihambe nezinto, sihambe nezinga. Because kuzokuhlula, akuyona into yakho le. Kuzokuhlula, akuyona into odalelwe yona le. Kuzokuhlula, akuyona into owabele yona le. And ila abantu bezothwala kanzima kakhona kakhulu. Kuhlezi kube worse kunayizolo. And manje muwathi unomsebenzi owodwa, sekumele usebenze imisebenzi yothu so that uzokwazi ukureach lesa standard. Because the technology is only new. I'm telling you people, the more you the more things get more expensive. The more the standard is new. Abelungu kuphela bazo afford lezi zinto because bona banemali. Zibuza ukuthi why ama-reports njalo ehlezi nje wabona ibona afika kubona kuqala because they afford all these things. This is not our life, bantu baNkulunkulu. Akusiyona eyethu impilo, especially bantu abamnyama basiZulu. Thina ngabe siphila ubuZulu. Impilo yasezulwini lapha emhlabeni. This is not our life. So ukugqilazeka kuzokwanda. Kodwa abantu baNkulunkulu asidingi zonke lezi zinto. So asizisize thina sizijwayeze. Singazijwayezi okuningi, kodwa saneliseke ngoba vele kwanele esinako. Uma sidla nje sigqoka, siphila. That's okay, kulungile, kwanele. So this is just to add nje kulo yamiyalezo ukuthi ukunyuka kwezinga, ukunyuka kwezinto. So asanelisekeni kaloko esinakho noma kuncane kangakanani. Waneliseke. Khona ungezwe ayithola usenkingeni. Khona ungezwe ayithola uhlezi ulangazelela ufuna izinto ezinkulu ezingeza kusiza ngalutho ekugcineni. Ufuna uJehova senokutholakala. Uzokupha ukwaneliseka ezintweni zonke. Uzokupha usizo kona konke. Nkosi nje ibe nani insize. Manje uzophakade. Amen.